this video, I will teach you how to archive and restore a post on Substack. So first things first, all you need to do is to go to your website, substack.com, on your browser and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Start Publishing right here and sign up using your email. But if you already have an account, you just have to click on Sign In at the top right and log in using your credentials. Now once you're all logged in, you will be automatically redirected to the Substack dashboard. So from here, all you have to do is to click on Dashboard right here and look for the Post section. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see that you have the published, scheduled, and draft posts on your account. Now to archive a post, all you have to do is to go to your list of published posts. You just have to find the post that you want to archive and then click on this three dots or more icon next to it. Once you've clicked on that, from the drop down, you just have to click on Archive or click on Unpublish right here. And click on Unpublish again to confirm your choice. And that post will no longer appear to your public readers, but it won't be deleted. Archiving is a great option if you want to hide posts temporarily or clean up your feed without losing any content. This way you can always go back, edit, and restore them anytime without starting from scratch. Now to restore the archive post that you did, just have to go to the post section again and then click on this draft section right here. All you have to do is see all the posts that you have archived and find the one that you want to bring back, which is right here. This is the one that you have unpublished or archived. So all you have to do is to click on these three dots right here and click on Edit. Once you've edited all of that, or once it's to your liking, all you have to do is to hit on Continue and click on Publish Now. Now it will return to your public list of posts just like before. And that's how you archive and restore a post on Substack. Simple, fast, and super useful for managing your contents. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.